What you doing, Brian?
Jacking up tire.
We need to put this on. And Søren is helping. Oh.
Trying to get these bolts off. Can you get it up more?
Yep.
That way I can spin the whole thing around.
Yep.
So, cooking us some improvised, what you call it, tacos, I guess. So, yeah, I guess we wanted to show what public toilet situation is here in the mountains, and I can tell already before walking into this place, the smell is terrible.
That's the way to go. Oh, cat style. Woo.
You even smell it out here?
Yeah. All right, let's continue. All right, see you on the top.
It'll be worth it.
I know.
All right, let's keep going. We're almost there. Halfway.
That's not bad.
All right, that's cool.
So fresh.
Is it cold?
So what's the review of the waterfall?
Freaking crazy. Super nice, but super cold.
Will you do it again?
Let's go!
That was really crazy. Alright, so we arrived at our tent site and it's really windy. So once we go out, we can't see nothing because we get so much sand in our eyes. So we did this ninja trick here and I think we're gonna go out and try, but they said it was only gonna be windy for about an hour. But
You know how accurate the weather people are. 50% chance.
But The tent inside is super nice. Yeah, so just hope the wind is gonna lay down. We're gonna look for a bathroom, see if we can find it. All right, so we managed to find the toilet. It was the containers that I spotted, but Brian found them first and he's checking it out in there. So it should be fun.
And the light is one of those timers that also works the water
Okay.
pump.
It's okay for you?
Yes.
Good. It can work. It's the best one so far, I would say.
Yeah, not bad. Got a little hike, so you better plan ahead.
Yeah.
It'll do.
The days go by. Every night when the sun goes down.
We got day 3. Pretty much woke up at like 7. It's almost 11 o'clock. We gotta check out the tent. And Brian been taking some sun, and yeah, it's getting pretty windy, so all the sand is kind of getting into our faces and stuff. But and yesterday with the mosquitoes, we found out they're non-biting mosquitoes, but there were so many of them. It was crazy. It was crazy.